Step 1. Figure out the conclusion of the argument. This is the conclusion of the argument. Step 2. Link the portions in the boldface with the conclusion. We saw that the first boldface itself is the conclusion. The second boldface is a judgment that supports the conclusion. So with that groundwork, let's look at the answer choices. See, we clearly know that the first boldface is the main conclusion of the argument, so any answer choice that says otherwise cannot be correct. No, first is not a premise. A premise is something from which other statements are derived. Conclusion is itself a derivation from the reasoning involved. A conclusion is never a premise. Even answer choice B says that first is one of the two premises. So choices A, B and D should be very comfortably eliminated. And no, the second is not inferred from the first, it's the other way round. The first has been inferred from the second here. It's not that the clan was a major economic power, that major economic powers could have such resources. It's the other way round, that because only major economic powers could have such resources, this clan was a major economic power. So this answer choice is not correct. It's the other way round, that the second is the premise. Because this is true, this can be derived. Remember, a premise is a statement from which another statement is derived. And since this is true, we could conclude that this clan must have been a major economic power. So the second part here is absolutely correct, and the first part, that the first is the main conclusion, is anyway correct. Answer choice C does a good job at explaining the role played by the first boldface as well as the second boldface. C is the correct answer choice here.